My name is Fad. I'm part of the sales engineering team in Rapyd. So today I'll be taking you through one of the 4 key pillars of Rapyd platform, which is the Rapyd wallet. And today I will also be taking you through on how you can leverage us to build your own white label wallet solution. Okay. So just a little bit of an introduction. Over the course of the Singapore FinTech Festival, you would have seen that Rapyd is a global FinTech as a service platform, right? Just in case you haven't, here's just a little bit about us. Under a single integration, under a single umbrella, we offer all capabilities to our merchant in order for them to build a complete FinTech solution. Right. So as you can see, those are the 4 key pillars of our platform, which is Rapyd Collect, Rapyd Disburse, Rapyd Wallet, and Rapyd Issuing. So again, a little bit more context. Traditionally, payments has been about just collecting payments via cards. So as the time evolves and as payments start being global, it starts to become more complex, right? Because there are more than 1,000 payment methods today, all with their local flavors, right? For example, in Singapore, cards and pay now are preferred. And with the emergence of COVID, cash is slowly getting phased out, but it's still there. In Malaysia, online bank transfers are most popular. And in Mexico, people would prefer to pay cash over the counter, right? So as a merchant of Rapyd, under a single provider and API, we allow you to collect payments from anywhere, right? And so we allow you to collect local payments from anywhere, making it global for you. So we take the complexity away from you, and you only deal with our platform, while Rapyd do the hard work of integrating with all the local expertise in country. Okay. And just to drill down a little bit deeper into the platform, we have 4 pillars like mentioned earlier. So Rapyd Collect would allow you to accept local payments, be it in cash, card, bank transfers, and the integration looks the same to you, right? For Rapyd Disburse, you can now send money to anywhere in the world, not only to bank transfers, but also to local e-wallets, cards or cash. And Rapyd Wallet, which is our focus today, which is a highly robust and scalable wallet platform with a set of features to allow you to create your own white label wallets, right? And lastly, Rapyd Issuing, which you can issue cards and virtual accounts on top of these wallets. So let's shift our focus back to Rapyd Wallet. And so going back to this topic, we have seen the explosive growth of e-wallets around the world. And obviously, this can no longer be ignored. So around us, there are so many e-wallets today, right? And there's so many super apps today, which offer wallet capabilities. So here are 3 reasons why you will need Rapyd Wallet to power your white label wallet solution. So the first one would be to tap into this trend, right? So again, this trend is driven by the adoption of mobile devices all around the world. Before that, the trend wasn't there. So by 2024, it's estimated that 50% of the global population will be using some sort of an e-wallet. Okay. Point number 2 would be to increase financial inclusion for your users, right? So for e-wallets are becoming increasingly popular, especially in cash-dominated markets, right? So people with limited access to banking and card acceptance. So it's popular because it offers them financial capability and inclusion. So based on stats, it looks like the transaction for value of mobile payment apps will reach 14 trillion by next year, right? And the last reason that I would like to highlight today would be how you can make your e-wallet your company's success story. So again, e-wallet is not only convenient to consumers and businesses because it's easy to use, e-wallet also, gives things like loyalty, discounts, security features, which then help you as a merchant drive usage and acceptance, right? So the more value add you give to your wallet users, the better experience they have, and the better experience they have. So just to tie everything off, having your own white label wallet solution supported by Rapyd has its benefits. So the first one that I would like to highlight would be customer reach. As mentioned earlier, with our wallet solution, it allows you to gain access to those cash-dominated markets very quickly, right? Because our Rapyd solution is very scalable and robust. So the second benefit would be it increases your shopping cart conversion rates, right? And the reason is because the transfer from an e-wallet to another wallet. So for instance, a transfer between a seller and a buyer in a marketplace, or a transfer of funds from a user to a worker in a gig economy, it is within your ecosystem and compliantly. So the conversion rates are, of course, better. And last but not least, a wallet solution would improve your overall customer experience because everything happens within that app, and wallet-to-wallet transfer is instant, right? So you can actually see all funds credited instantly into your wallet. Okay, so now let's touch on the key features of Rapyd Wallet. To give you a summary, Rapyd Wallet is built on a wallet structure, right? Which makes us different than to the traditional payment firms who just processes payments, right? So with Rapyd Wallet, you can actually create digital identities for your users, be it buyers or sellers, and you can assign wallets to them, and therefore you can assign balances to them, like a ledger-like format. So we do expose this as a white label wallet capability, and this design provides flexibility for you to drive new kind of experiences or interactions for your customers and partners. So any wallet-like capability you wish to build on your app, you can do so with this foundation. Okay. And to touch on a bit more, the Rapyd Wallet gives you a lot of wallet capabilities without you having to build from ground up, right? So we provide the foundation of your white label wallet solution, and you can then focus on making your app experiences great, right? So if you can see from the slides there, we have multiple currency support. We have an end-to-end identity verification or KYC process. So all the capabilities we give you in a wallet infrastructure is there for you to leverage from the start. So you can focus on what is best for your app, right? And from the core wallet approach, from the core wallet approach, you can then utilize our other key pillars, right, to enable services that drives further engagement for your user base. Just want to touch on some of the key features very quickly so that you can create new revenue streams. So it is important to note that while everything else is API-based, we also do have a very good client portal for you to manage your entire wallet infrastructure, right? So there is a portal for you to fall back onto to manage, when you log in, to manage your transactions. So there's a wallet management feature to it. You can monitor balances, activities, and transactions per wallet. And there's a lot of funds management capabilities in there. We can support over 65 currencies. So your wallet, you can actually roll out to multiple geographies easily. And last but not least, our wallet feature also includes identity and compliance check. So for every wallet that you create, you can actually verify the users in over 100 countries so that you can have a peace of mind that your wallet users are transacting compliantly. All right. And with the wallet feature, with the wallet foundation, it opens up many possibilities for you in your business. So like what I said earlier, you can leverage us as a foundation and then focus and build your next generation of user experiences and build upon, for you to be the next super app, for example. Okay, so now that you know about the Rapyd wallet and how it works, I'm just going to exhibit or illustrate to you how it can be used by yourselves, right? So I'm going to go through a series of use cases on how our clients use Rapyd wallet today. And again, depending on your industry and vertical you are in, Rapyd wallet opens up a lot of new possibilities, something that you might not think of today, but you might come up with an idea, in the future. So the Rapyd wallet lets you provide new and seamless financial experience for your own users in your own way. So for here are some of the examples that here are some of the use cases that popular use cases that our merchants use today. So the first example would be just a basic wallet function and how you can use the identity verification to stay compliant while your users transact and transfer funds to each other. The second example would be in the context of you paying your workers, your sellers, and your contractors. So more in like a marketplace or gig economy kind of use case. I'll also be covering remittances, online remittances service, and I will also show you the what you can do with multiple currency support. Okay, so let's get down to the first example. So again, as a context, Rapyd wallet supports two kinds of wallets. Right, one is a user wallet, which is created for individuals. And the other one is a business wallet, which is created for companies, right? And we do offer end-to-end KYC or KYB capabilities, and this, of course, can be extended globally. So wherever your users are and transacting, you can have a peace of mind that your wallets will stay compliant, right? And here is a series of illustrations to tell you how it typically works. So again, different countries have different KYC, KYB requirements, right? Our API will guide you through that. But the usual experience would be when you create a user wallet, the user then will be prompted to verify themselves. So probably in Singapore, you will have to take a selfie. And then the next one, you have to upload your driving license or NRIC or passport. And then once you submit those, you just wait for the verification, right? And once it's verified, then that's when your wallet can be used compliantly. So that is one of the popular use case for our merchants. And do take note that these are fully white label, so you can actually you can actually run this off on in-app on your own branded app. Or you can also use our iframe to render in-app. Okay, so that's one use case. The other use case would be in a gig economy, for example, right, where you have consumers and you have workers. So consumers may choose to top up their wallets, right, with a stock value, as seen from the first picture, 320 euros. So they top up so that they can pay for the services that they are about to post, right, in your platform. So funds are then held. Funds can be held in multiple currencies, up to 65. So you can actually scale this to different geographies, like what I mentioned earlier. And let's say once the consumer and the worker agrees, right, to a service and a price, then the worker will, proceed to render the service. And once the service is completed, the funds can then be transferred from the consumer to the worker almost immediately, right? And the workers can actually see their funds credited into their own wallet balance, right? And it's important to note here that the wallet-to-wallet transfer is not a disbursement to a bank account. It's actually just a movement of funds from a user wallet to another user wallet. So it is an on-us transaction. So meaning it happens within the Rapyd ecosystem, right? So this means that it is instant. This also means that you reduce your costs for disbursing funds, right, by traditional methods. So you're not paying SWIFT, you're not paying by wire, you're not paying by any Visa direct transfer fees, right? Everything is within the own ecosystem. So that is one of the typical case. And let's extend this use case a little, right? So maybe on top of each wallet, on top of each worker's wallet, you may issue a card, right? And of course, now you are using our Rapyd issuing capability. But once you issue a card, it means multiple things, right? The worker themselves, based on the earnings that they have in their wallet, they can then take the card and make cash withdrawals, at any of the ATM machines that is supported. Or they can then make payments. They can make card payments at any other shop that accept cards, right? Or they can also just choose to simply withdraw the funds into their local bank account or into their local e-wallets by using the Rapyd Disburse, right? So you can see that the wallet function actually opens up a lot of capabilities for your own business. Now let's go to another one. Let's go to another illustration. Another popular use case would be the local or cross-border remittance service, right, for end users. So normally, if an end user wants to transfer 300 euro to someone else in another country, they will have to top up their own wallet with that amount. And once verified, then you can be rest assured that the transaction is compliant. And then once they are ready to initiate the disbursement, they do so to a beneficiary via a local method, right? And that's it. So that's normally a cross-border remittance service use case normally ends. But we can extend this further a little. So maybe the recipient, right, the beneficiary, to collect the money, they are encouraged to create their own wallet, right, and verify themselves. So what does that mean? It means that they themselves can collect the wallets instantly, and they themselves can choose to get it disbursed to the up to 900 local methods, including cash, in their own local geography, right? And then they themselves can remit the money to someone else. So again, like what I said, it opens up a lot of possibilities once you use our robust infrastructure. And again, there are many use cases of Rapyd Wallet that we can go through. But most importantly, the most important thing of all is that once you have your users transacting, that's step one, right? So once the foundation has already been built, you can start building on top of it, right? You can start to surround your user with new services or products to ensure that you further engage your customers, right? So maybe on top of your e-wallet function, you can now offer loyalty rewards. We can start to offer insurance. You can have saving plans, right? And again, with Rapyd providing you the core capability, you don't really have to build a wallet infrastructure from ground up, right? You just leverage on our infrastructure and you can focus on building excellence for your service and product, right? And build further engagement with your users. Yep, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for listening.